After watching my previous videos, we already know how to earn tens of dollars daily using earning apps, but today I want to figure out a new way to make money, which is a dropshipping. Now I see many hustlers on the internet flexing their money and convincing everybody to start doing dropshipping. But the question is it that simple to start making thousands of dollars monthly from dropshipping from scratch? Let's figure it out. Well, those of you who have followed me for a long time know that I'm generally not a big fan of dropshipping as a long-term business model. But I do realize that dropshipping may be a great way to start an online store without having much money, and this can become a good and stable income for each of you guys. But before we dive into that topic, let's answer the basic question: what is a dropshipping? Well, dropshipping can be defined as a business model where the seller accepts an order without keeping or owning the stock. Let's see an example. This is Alex. Alex has an e-commerce website that sells various products like coffee mugs, t-shirt, hoodies, and etc. But guess what? He doesn't have an inventory of any of the merchandise he sells. But what Alex has is a network of distributors who take orders from him and send them to respective customers. Consider this scenario: Sabina places an order for some items worth $15 on Alex's website at the retail price. Alex gets $15 from Sabine and he places Sabine's order with his distributor for $5 at a wholesale price. Thus, Alex makes a profit of $10 in this order. The distributor then delivers the items directly to Sabina, and this is how dropshipping works. However, making money on dropshipping is not as simple as it sounds. In fact, in the process of creating and running your online store, you may face different challenges, such as low profit margins, quality control, shipping complexities, inventory and suppliers problems, and others. Hopefully for you guys, I found a reliable site called Doba, which helps people build their dropshipping businesses. Doba is an American-based dropshipping platform that was founded over 20 years ago. It provides you a powerful dropshipping supplier directory with listing tools, enabling you to discover and list products hassle-free. Using Doba, you can buy different products from a source as a supplier and ship them directly to customers without the stress of inventory and delivery. What is also very important to know, guys, is that Doba offers products from tens of categories such as the home, garden and tools, sports, pets, electronics, and many more. And what is even more, guys, is that this platform does a lot of integrations with major e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify and more, which makes dropshipping honestly simpler for you. Because actually with Doba platform you can start selling your products on any of these platforms. Yeah, I know it might sound a bit complicated, but let me give you a step-by-step detailed instruction on how to use Doba to make money online on dropshipping. Well, first of all, you have to register on doba.com site. By the way, you can get started here for absolutely free. Next, you need to click the Stores tab and connect your online store to Doba. Let's imagine you have a Shopify store, so you have to click the Connect a New Store button and next click the Connect button under the Shopify logo. After that, you have to enter your Shopify app store and click the Add App button. Next, you will need to log into your Shopify account. Just click to choose your account and the next is to click the Install App button. Wait a while and you will be redirected into Doba. And as you can see, after a few very simple steps, I have already connected my Shopify store successfully. However, keep in mind that Doba integrates with many popular e-commerce platforms, which gives you a lot of options and makes it obviously easy to manage your dropshipping business. Anyway, after the successful connection, you may click Store Settings to set up your Shopify store's inventory, order, pricing and shipping rules. Well, what you have to do next in order to start selling products and making money is to list the list of products you're going to sell. Actually, there are two ways to do it: list to store directly or download and manually upload. Let me show you the first option. Well, what you have to do is to search for the products you want to sell in your online store from Doba's extensive catalog. You can search products based on the type of products, supplier, location, shipping times, price, and even minimum order quantity. Or just use Doba's top sellers and new arrivals to check the winning products and their marketing trends. Once you see what you want to sell, you can simply press a button to add selected products to your inventory list. The inventory list, by the way, acts like a portal where you can find all the products you have discovered before. You may even select multiple products and add them to your store all together, which is very simple, by the way. But let's begin with listing products one by one. So first of all, I click List to Store, select my Shopify store and click Continue. Next, you have to enter the details of the product, description, variants and images. Most of the fields are automatically completed, by the way, as you can see, by Doba. As for description, I strongly advise you to edit it and make it more readable for your buyers, because actually a good description might boost the visibility of your product and consequently increase conversions. Well, after that, you may click Shipping Method to see the estimated shipping cost, and for each variant, set the sales price and the compare at price. The compare at price is the original price, by the way, so you may set the figure a bit larger than the sales price. As for images, you can uncheck any image you don't want to be shown in your store and finally click List Now to publish your product on the store. Now guys, we have successfully listed our first product, so now if we log into our Shopify store, here we can see our listed products, which means that now absolutely anyone can go to the Shopify, buy these products and bring us a real profit. And once a customer places an order in my online store, this order will be transmitted and proceeded in Doba's backend. I then pay to Doba for that product with the credit card I have on file. The dropshipping supplier will be notified, fulfill my order and ship it directly to my customer who paid for this product. Well guys, to sum up, dropshipping business is not as simple as crypto airdrops or earning apps where you have to repeat manually certain action to make $10 per day. But if you actually dive into it, follow all the instructions and guides, which you can also find on the official Doba YouTube channel, by the way, then I strongly believe that each of you guys might be rewarded really well. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye.